Good Tuesday morning, guys. You can see I've just dropped my Chelle off. The reason for that is it's snowing. Brilliant. End of April. But, you know, hopefully this is the end of it. It's very cold. I was going to say it doesn't feel too cold because I'm just looking at the weather thing now. It's not really windy, so it's not too bad. Well, anyway, I've dropped my Chelle off. That's kind of me waffling way of saying I've dropped my Chelle off. Yeah, I am definitely waffling, so I'll shut up and I'll go and get the bins out and start the day for me, because I'm absolutely wiped out and tired. Watched that programme on Sky. I don't know which TV channel did it, but it was called The Gold, which was all about the Brinksmack robbery. Hugh Bonneville played a fantastic part in that. We're really impressed with his acting, as did most of the actors, but it was really good. It was a really good programme, that got us enthralled. We stayed up until midnight watching that because we got into it. So I highly recommend that. Look it out, The Gold, with Hugh Bonneville and some other actors who I, for my shame, I can't name because I can't remember, but never mind. Anyway, there's a bit of waffle for you. Tuesday morning waffle. I've got my coffee. I'll go and get the bins out. Moving on. Hi guys, it's been a week for breaking things. What's broken now is the dishwasher. So I've got all the stuff out of it and it's full of water at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sponge all that out now and see if I can find where the blockage is or whether it's the pump that's not working. Hopefully it's just a blockage and not the pump. So there's nothing for it, just going to have to get my hand in there and get dirty. Okay guys, that's like a little top over the bottle because we wash all our jars and stuff that we recycle and bin lazy, stick them in the dishwasher. So that looked like that was blocking up the pump. Now I've just turned it on. You can hear the pump whirring, so I now know it's not the pump. I'll just put it on a rinse and let's see what it does. I'll go away and come back in 10 minutes. Okay guys, and as you can hear, that's it working again. That was pretty easy. If only everything was that simple. But I'm so glad we got that working, because I've got a whole load to wash. And it's sink full because it broke 2 days ago. Anyway, I'm going to celebrate that victory and then have a cup of tea.